everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. And I have an unboxing for you. Sometimes I go to start these unboxing videos and I look and it's not even a diamond painting. It's like a blouse or something for the dogs that I've ordered. Let me get this one open. Doesn't want to cooperate. I'm always scared I'm going to cut something important. Okay, there's a lot of bubble wrap, so I think I'm safe. There's my scissors. Oh, it really does not want to come out. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got some some from my small canvas experiment. Finally got one of them started. You'll see it in the next canvas conversations, so we can see how they turn out. I'm really interested. Okay, so this is just one. And it is a 25 by 20. And the image is like this old-timey truck in watercolors. It's kind of splattered all over. 20 by 25 full drill round. I like round the best. Came with a nice toolkit, white boat with a funnel, big chunk of wax, pink pen, single drill tip, some bags, and some tweezers. Everything you need. If you're brand new and you buy your first kit, you should not need to buy anything else. There's other things that will help you that you'll like. Come on into our Facebook group and ask around, and everybody will be happy to tell you what they use and where they bought it. A lot of links get posted. And this is nice. It's wrapped on a foam core. The edges are a little bit crinkled, but those aren't things that I ever worry about. You know, I flatten these out before I start them. When they're done, I flatten them out again. Some of them get a little wavy depending on the canvas gets wavy depending on the tightness of the drills. Wow, okay, so these symbols are wonderful. And I use a light pad, so that's extra helpful, seeing the symbols. Sometimes I think I'm going to go a little cross-eyed, but I don't. Can you see that? There's that truck. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. A lot of confetti, which I like to see in a small diamond painting, because that means it's not going to look pixelated. We hope. A lot of colors. There are 29 colors. Let me look once I finish this. All right, I peel up all four corners and lay it back down again. And then that's going to lay flat in my stash. Let me open this. These are very muted colors. They're not like rainbow colors, bright red, bright green. They're very pale pastel colors, which I think gives a nice natural look. 30! There are 30 colors in this little tiny diamond painting. That makes it fun. I like switching colors, and I don't like doing big sections of one color. Here you're going to see the colors. There's a lot of that like aqua color. It's probably the background. A lot of browns. That's gonna be fun. I'm excited to do that one. What do you think? Would you ever do one that's 20 by 25? No, 25 by 20. Yeah. Would you ever do one that small? Have you ever done that one that small? And did it come out nice? I really like my diamond paintings to look like pictures on the wall. I don't want it to look pixelated and weird like a 4-year-old drew it. I want my images clear enough that you can see them. Okay, that's the end of that one. Another one, there's still more coming in the small canvas experiment. I think I have about 6 more to show you. So if you like my videos, take a minute and subscribe. And if you tap the little bell image, you will get notified of when my videos come out. And thank you so much for joining me. I just love, it's been over a year I've been doing unboxings and diamond paintings, and I just love it. I'm not fast, I'm not fancy, fancy Nancy, not fancy at all. I'm not fussy. Those are 3 F's. I'll have to think of some more. Fun. I am fun. That's a good one. And hey, you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.